Let's see if everything is running smoothly. YouTube Studio. Let's see if everything is running smoothly. Alright, yeah, that's nice. To build a positive, yeah, it's my first time streaming still. Let's see if everything is running smoothly. Alright, yeah, that's nice. Alright then. Yeah, alright, cool. The fuck is this? What's this? Okay, it disappeared. Alright. This high is vulnerable. You have a failure to close below this low. This high was responsible for this whole move, this whole market down, making it a weak high. But still, I ain't even trading that. But yeah, vulnerable. We get a body closure above that, then we will so let's say we get a body closure above this. Hold on. That's it right there. Let me see. Where we at? Not like in this zone here, but nowhere near it. It's not that zone, it's this zone here that we failed to close below. Hidden S&D. Taking a low, where's the previous range? Right there. Taking a low, just been continuing down. Let me remove this. We have one swing. Okay, no, two swings. So we can still anticipate some more downside. Let me clear this off my chart and get a better perspective. So yes, I'm looking for this high to get taken because of, we may as well just write it down. Yeah, weak high. Slap it there. But as for any setups right now, nah. Like we are at the bottom of this range. People that chased buys, people that chased sells, so we efficiently took both people out. Well, not yet. We need to take people. So we took the people that chased buys. We ran them out. These are the people that chased sells. So ultimately, right? Okay, cool. These are the people. Maybe people. I'm even gonna say it like that, but I'm looking for as I only engage in bullish order flow, it would have to be a body closure above this high here. But Dave likes to call this an idiot box, whatever. But yeah, so a failure to take a low and a failure to take a high, and then you pretty much know that we're in the consolidation. So regardless of this weak high or whatever, idiot box, whatever the fuck, I need to see bullish order flow. Right now, still going down. Currently, so I know exactly what I'm waiting for. So boom, really and truly, it's that simple. Now, to identify that, which previous candle high, it would be, since this is a cargo from candlestick, it's a secondary structure. So boom, 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 boom. So this high didn't do shit, but we still took out this one here. Okay, cool. Remove that. I'm not even using that. We have a body closure below this low. So that was a pullback, but this wasn't a protected low. This ain't no swing. We are at the bottom of the range. I don't know. Top of the range, bottom of the range. Bearish order flow, we literally just got a body closure above the previous candle high. So look, we just validated this high up here. Or maybe this one? Fuck knows. But I think they're equal still. So yeah, we made a new zone. Top of the range, bottom of the range. Let me see what I've got in 5 seconds. So, okay, cool. Now what am I looking for? Right now it's currently bullish order flow. Take a low, mitigate 50 to 70%. And what was the last one? Yeah, wick confirmation. Essentially what I'm waiting for. However, price already delivered to the thingy, top of the range. And let me not get ahead of myself real quick. Let me just see. Boom, boom, boom. So this area is still unmitigated. And then price has been mitigating itself on the way down, which usually leads to a rejection. But where though? Cool. This is from, right, cool, the high time frame swing. I'm gonna mark this out. We took out a low here. Seeing bear wicks. We did close below it. I'm on the high time frame. This ain't shit. Mill closed below it, but we're right back to where we even started currently. So yeah, I don't care about that. I only care about that. And oh yeah, I'll keep that there. Just so I know, okay, cool, yeah. With the body closure below this low. And coming back down. And now I'm just waiting for my wick confirmation within the 50 and 70. That's all. Okay. But yo, other than that, I had a good start to my morning. Yeah, it was good. It was good. I fucked with it. I ran 2.7 kilometers, 50 push-ups, 50 squats, 10 pull-ups, 10 rows, 20 leg raises, 20 shoulder push-ups. That's what I've been trying to do consistently. Started yesterday. But I'm really like my goal right now is to my goal for this month of March is to master, my morning routine. Because it's easy for me to do it, but it's not easy for me to, what's the word called? Well, consistency, right? I know I can do it for the day, maybe the next day, maybe even the day after that. But can I do this on the fourth day? Oh shit, did we hit the 50? I forgot to update my zone. No, okay, cool. But I basically want to do it all month, 30 days straight, minimum 20 days, Monday to Friday for 4 weeks, minimum. So I guess yeah, that is my goal. Yeah, Monday to Friday at the very least. And um, yeah, fantastic start to my morning, and you know, exercising first thing in the morning, it does wonders. The mental fortitude that it gives your mind, like the type of mentality you need to have. Oh shit, let me see what I got. Nice Apex. Yeah, I gotta see 1 minute confirm. But I'm ready though, if it gives it to me. Hmm, nice. Closure? Nice.
Order submitted.
This is my entry at the S&D responsible. Stop plus here, get 5 points, and I'm out. I didn't think an opportunity would come this early. I'll be real. Yeah, when I limit, I put my limit one tick above that zone because price be bullshitting at times, yo. That's the price you have to pay for accuracy, right? Sometimes price can just stall and then just go meow. I'm like, yeah. Especially my stop is always one tick below the zone. Let me get these seeds out.
Order filled.
Ooh, that was quick. Get my 5 points and cut.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. That's cool. Part of the plan. With confirmation was there. Um, just probably right. Right. So Right. Right. Okay, cool. So I know why I lost. How much was that? Yeah, 5 point loss. Alright, cool. So when it was so basically this is I'm gonna write it down now. And this is actually what I've been wondering, but it made it all the more obvious now. So bearish order flow, we still need to be in an area to the left. Let's put left. And then body closure below, no, above. So my mistake was not waiting for that. So I had one part of the process correct, but you forgot a crucial step beforehand, the position in which you're in. So yeah, cool. Keep it stepping. Let me write that down as well. What was that? So cool. So when these conditions are met, maybe I should do it like this actually. That's the way I've written it down too. When these conditions are met, then that's when you see bullish order flow. So now I know the process in which what to wait for. Um, Extra clarity. I like it. We're learning. We're learning on the go. I don't know if I want to start, if I want to make it a habit, but fuck it. I'll just show my progress at the same time. So currently I just started 100K static Apex. So that's the current account right now. So obviously I'm just down 95, just $100 is cool. This me live streaming on YouTube thing may even just become like a journal thing. Because it's not like I'm here to teach, but just showing niggas what I do, fam, I guess. And it's a good way to just keep track of my performance. I'm thinking out loud pretty much. I can just go back and record it. Because as soon as I probably get, I think the next trade I take, I'll just end the live stream there. This ain't gonna be for hours and hours. Well, anyway, I'm just chatting shit. Let's just observe price. In fact, no, fuck that. I want to chat about a couple of shit that I learned today. I know it's gonna. You know what? Fuck it. Yeah. I'm gonna chat to you, man, about there's what one, two, three, four things that I've learned just running today. Yeah. So the first thing is that it's supposed to feel hard. Oh no, Is that it? Yeah, 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 yeah. So the first thing is it's supposed to feel hard. If it doesn't feel hard, then obviously pause. But if it doesn't feel difficult, yeah, then you ain't pushing yourself. The whole point of you training is to push yourself. They call it sometime. What's that term? Certain overload, progressive overload. I think that's like a close kind of definition to what I'm talking about, but not really that. But it's just extending yourself rather than being comfortable in one place, right? So, for example, yeah, yesterday, let me see if you guys can see this. Let me check OBS real quick. That was how long it took. Yeah. So that was how long? 33 minutes and 21 seconds and 22 milliseconds. I think that third column is 33 minutes, 21 seconds. That's how long it took for me to run 2.7 kilometers. And then today, it took 31.33. So 31 minutes, 33 seconds to run 2.7 kilometers, which is an improvement, right? But how did I reach that point? It was maybe I written it down because well I did. So I'm gonna just right, cool. So it's supposed to feel hard, but that levels up your capabilities. And what were those capabilities that I'm talking about? For me, it was focusing my energy around my legs and my heart. Focusing on those two areas. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. So focusing my energy around my legs and my heart, focusing on, and then when I know that I got them two patterned, I'm in that flow, and it just starts to become automatic and robotic, and you're not so much in your physical body, but now you're just in your mind. Then it's just about, yeah, that's when I start thinking to myself, okay, cool, just one step forward, 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 one step forward. That's all I'm thinking. That's why I forgot to write it down as well. Hold on. So it's a thing where it's a thing where just just from running, the type of mentality that it takes to run if you're serious. Like you ain't just, just like you ain't just flapping about. Like you really out here trying to like grow. That mentality will serve you for the rest of the day because it doesn't just apply to what you are what you are currently doing to acquire that mindset. It applies to all areas of your life. I'm sure most of you man must have heard fucking how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? Cool. Moving on. Yeah, cool. Another thing that helped me was focusing my eyes on the ground rather than um, focusing my head up. No, that's not the right way to put it. It was more of, gee, what the fuck? It was, yeah, I'm trying to explain it though. It was more of trying to find the words. Okay, cool. I'll explain it like this, and then maybe I'll come around to like a whole definition. But whenever I'd run and my eyes was focused on the road ahead of me, cool, I knew my destination. Cool, I knew where I was going. But my mind had a tendency to focus on the destination, only focus on the destination, And then, you know, the negative part, right? So the negative side would say, oh shit, that shit's long. Cause I'll be real, you're running and running and running. But bro, you're seeing where you're headed, bro, that shit is so far away. So that's what my mind is thinking, right? Clearly you don't want to be thinking that. Why the fuck you want to be thinking that while you're running? So I was like, okay, cool. I just noticed, cool, let me just focus on one step forward, one step forward, one step forward. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me just look like, let's just say 45 degrees, right? Just you just tilt your head 45 degrees to the ground and then you just start, cool. You just gotta like, I don't know, it seems like your destination, where you're going is much shorter. I'm losing track on how to explain this. Um, Basically grounded. It's more of a thing. Okay, I'll tell you what it taught me. It taught me that focusing on the end result, focusing on a destination, isn't what actually gets you to that destination. You feel me? That's not, it's the steps, the one step forward, the one step forward, just one step forward, one step forward, one step forward. Focusing on the one step forward is what actually gets you to the fucking destination. Isn't it? So, I kind of just, that mentality just kind of spurred on, man, while running. And I realized it was way easier for me to sustain my energy that way because I knew I would reach it, right? And as well as it got rid of the fear of obstacles in my way because there were no obstacles in my way. Bear in mind, like, yo, where I'm running, like, it's a park. It's pretty much a park known for running, bro. Like, the perimeter of the park is 2.7 kilometers. So, there's people in the way, there's people walking their dogs, there's just a bunch of people just cycling, there's shit in the way. But I trust, or I start to trust my peripheral vision when I'm focused. So rather than leaking energy towards focusing on so many things around me, right? So much information entering your brain while you're just, bro, you're just trying to put one step forward and run. You get to just focus on where your foot's landing. You already know your destination. You already know where you're going to. You already know your direction. And yeah, you can get to conserve a lot more energy that way. In my mind, I thought that how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? So to that point, I thought this was the perfect mentality of staying grounded. Not, okay, cool, yeah, staying grounded and being within the present moment. That was, yeah, that right there, that was like a perfect lesson for me. Being within the present moment and staying grounded rather than thinking about the end. Cool, the end is cool, you know where you're going to, but what are you gonna do right now? So cool, that's that. Any more shit? All right, cool. One more thing. So when I think about ending my rest and starting another lap, just start immediately. So yesterday, I used to like, I used to like have, I used to imagine like checkpoints around the park. Like, bro, man ain't running fucking 2.7 kilometers non-stop. Who the fuck do you think I am? You feel me? Like, man's like, I stop at times, take a little rest, right? And then I used to base my rest based on the location I'm in. So there was like gates, right? There's multiple gates around the perimeter of the park. So I was like, okay, cool. Once I reach this gate, I'm gonna just stop and chill. And then probably when I reach like the next bench or I see the next bin, then I'll be like, okay, cool, let's start. So that's how I was basing it yesterday. But then today it was just a thing where, yo, I noticed there was a gap and an interval in my mind where, okay, cool, I'm resting and my mind is blank until all of a sudden I just start thinking, okay, cool. When I reach this place, I'm gonna start running. And I'm like, huh. All of a sudden, my mind is just now talking, but in a positive sense, though. Like, cool, we're gonna start running again. But why wait? Just go. If your mind is ready, your body. If your mind is ready, it don't matter what your body thinks. Your mind controls your body. It's not your body that controls your mind. So with that approach, I was like, okay, cool. When I'm aware of these thoughts, as soon as I'm aware of it, that I'm like, okay, cool, I'm resting, I'm just walking, and like, like stepping type of walking, not just walking like I'm walking my dog type shit. Like I'm stepping fast pace. Then it's a thing where, okay, cool, as soon as I notice that, uh, just run, just go. And doing that just made me realize, oh yeah, I don't need as much rest as I need to. The difference could just be a few seconds, but still, the the um the act of doing that will, I know me doing that while running is gonna transfer into that mentality. Acting on that mentality is gonna transfer into my day. And yeah, that's what I learned today. That's what I learned today. It was cool. That's why I say it was a good morning. And that's why I'm talking about mastering my morning routine. Because bro, let me tell you, bro. Phew. Oh yeah, before I tell you, I'm also this was just a thought as soon as I'll grab some water. I need to be hydrated, and to make it a measurable goal, this bottle is what? Yeah, 2 liters. So I'm like, cool, minimum 2 liters a day. Like I should be able to finish all of this because I believe anyway. I haven't really done no body, uh, is it autopsy? Hell no, that's when I'm dead. Fucking like a body check, right? To check all my minerals and all the data within, my blood cells. And I don't know shit about that. But I do know that I don't really need that much water. You feel me? Like, I'll be real. If I don't force myself to drink all of this right now, if I don't force myself to drink all of this right now, I can end the day just, here and I'll be totally fine. Let me see. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom. All right, cool. So yeah, that's just another thing. I'm really focused on my health. But what I was gonna about to tell you, which I think I forgot, I think that I actually did. I forgot. I forgot. Fuck it. Fuck it. Price is near my zone anyway. Focus on price. But yeah, man, that's just what I learned today. That's literally what I've learned today. Right. I knew what I was gonna tell you, but that's gonna be a separate thing. I'm gonna plan on making a proper video on that. You feel me? Not just a live stream, but you know, just I actually record it and then slap it on YouTube in it. So you see what the 4 candle drop? Wait, one, two, three. We'll see how this closes below this low. How many seconds we got there? 20 something. When you see this 4 candle drop, you don't chase that first confirmation that you see after this break. So that first break that happens, even though this ain't it. I'll be real. Hold on. Because that 4 candle drop is just 4 swings on a lower time frame. That's one, two, three. Yeah, we're just on our third swing. If you break above here, then it's cool. But if you break above here, then it's cool. Uh, Let me just make it easier on my eyes. Mm, Hmm. Either way, this is what I'm looking for. A body closure above, anyway, yeah, it's right there. Body closure above the previous candle high. Look at that. The cheek. The cheek. Like, why you don't wanna, why didn't you do it the first anyway? Mm, 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 mm. If it ain't the zone, where's the low of the zone? Okay, cool. So right at the 50% here. So this could also be possible. We got one, just one. Okay. We got one, two, three, four. Let me verify that because just to make sure I'm counting right. We got one, two, three, four. All right, cool. Yeah, very cool. So that's on the 12-minute time frame. This 12-minute move down, and then on this trend here on the 1 minute, boom. So one, one. Anyway, whoa, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Order submitted.
Now, how can I just ignore that? Brrr. How can I just ignore that? You know this high is vulnerable. Did we make a high here? So boom, yeah, this high anyway is vulnerable. Boom, boom. You see the pullback's getting larger. Um, yeah, let me not lie to you. So this is the last down move. This right here, yeah, I'll get involved in that. We have a hidden S&D here. In fact, that ain't even a hidden S&D. That is right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We got body closure on a 5 second. What about the 1 minute? Because if you got that on the 1 minute, then I'll just scrap that entry and wait for the 50% to be tapped.
Order cancelled.
How many seconds we got left? 15. Let's see how this closes, you feel me? But once we get that body closure, well, let's wait for that body closure first before we make any decisions. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go. So this is what I should have been. This is what I should have waited for. Wait, let me show you. Yeah. So this L, the mistake of this L was that we wasn't at an area to the left. But yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Soldier boy. not gonna lie. You see me sipping on this water, but it's just because I want to go downstairs and grab some fruits, but I'm trading, so I'm just quenching my hunger with. It's not even that I'm thirsty. It's just that yo. Oh yeah, cool. Bullish order flow, right? I guess this is actually good enough. I've never actually done this before, but it's flowing, right? Make sure I pay attention to that. We got 22 bullish order flow. Now I just want to see take a low, which I already see that low. I'm talking about that low right there. So take a low, what do you call it? Mitigate 50 slash 70%. And then you want to see your wick confirmation. And that wick confirmation is literally just narrative. Because once you see that wick confirmation, it's literally just a failure to close below, meaning that there's a weak high and you target the weak. I may as well just put that there too. Target, target weak high. But it doesn't mean that you're closing there. But it doesn't mean that that price has to reach that weak high. No. Like I know this is London, so more time probably just gonna wait for that weak high. But during New York and shit, best believe that weak high may deliver way more than 5 points. It could be 10, 15, like, it's way more volatile type shit. So yeah, the low I'm looking for is that one there. Is it? Right, yeah, knew that look weird. I'll just go based off the 1 minute. That's cool. So it's basically the origin of the move. We have this, what's that? Right. We're cool, we're cool, we're cool. So these pullbacks getting larger. We'll see where I go on. Take a little mitigate 50, 70. Uh, it's on the right. I'll make that distinction. Yo, this is the first time I've actually just put how I trade in like text. Anyway, usually get one, two on the reversal, right? So one, two, probably see this drop back down here. But yeah, it was the right decision. I've learned at least today, I've learned something with the L that I took. So for real, it's that this is I have to wait for this before even looking for the body closure of the previous candle high. Now, if you could, this is just the pullback, but if you could break that high, then that's my type of environment, baby. But just seeing it, we'll observe. We already mitigated this area, so let me just. So this is just a pullback. So the body. Oh, where the fuck you go? Right. The body closure above the previous candle high. Yes, we're in bullish order flow, but it doesn't mean that we finna break highs. You feel me? It just means that at this very present moment, price is going up. Order flow is bullish at this present moment. But we know we have this as a target And this is where we could be delivering to. So this could be the target. We take the target, we usually come back into the previous range, tap back in, move back up, and you mad projection in it. But yo, if you study Dave's stuff, then shit is easy to see. Now, I don't, when I trade, as you can see, I only mark things that this is a higher time frame, yes, so I don't even use that. I only mark things that I use. When I was learning this shit, of course, yeah, when I was learning, keyword, learning it, like I was marking out every single zone in it, trying to see how price reacts, and honestly, it still amazes me to this day. Like, but at this point, I don't need to do that no more because I ain't learning no more. Well, I am learning, but as of right now, during this live stream type shit, man's trading. So, yeah. Hmm. Right. Usually get a pullback near a high time frame, high or low. You saw that right there. Mm, you know what? I'm gonna write this down as well. This text right here because that's a extra clarification in my mind. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So bearish order flow. Let me write this again. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I usually see price pull back away from the higher time frame thingy, higher low, and then violate it. I usually don't. So you see how I use this is how the zone would look like. I use the 50 and the 70. I don't use the 30 because, you know, just back testing it. It was just not my style. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Not my style, but fuck am I doing? Yeah, man. For me that works. That works nicely. But I say that to say, what? Why didn't I want to say it? Oh yeah, cool. So in this case, you see how we tap into the 70, but we pretty much like, what is the term? I don't even know what the term's called. I just know what it looks like. But we over mitigate it. Like a deeper mitigation usually is like a telltale sign that okay, cool, yeah, this zone ain't gonna hold. You feel me? Like you see how we tapped into the 70 here, but we wicked above it. Like okay, cool, more time it's gonna hold. That's why I was confident enough to place a limit order here at first, but then price never came back to it. So cool, right? In this right here, especially on Nasdaq with shorts, they don't like shorts for some reason. Man doesn't know why, but we uh we follow accordingly. You feel me? I don't take shorts, but uh boom, we see. Oh wait, we see a pullback. Let's see what going on though. Like, let's see. Cause where's our previous range? It's right there. I may be mistaken. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. There. That's our previous range. So just range to range to range to range, and then until it breaks it, and then we make another range type shit. But don't really care about none of that. Those don't factor in the decisions that make me profit. You see me? Mm, but yeah, I like that. I'm gonna today. This morning's already been successful. I'm not even go no cap. No cap. Like this morning's already been successful. Really just mental clarity. Nah, it just yeah, it's already been successful. Yeah, I read this shit that uh yeah, so we saw a pullback. Ah, yeah, wrong zone. I mean, that's not valid just yet. We have boom, boom. So this high wasn't validated until this low got put in, and then that was the only low put in. There we go. I'll take a setup here. You also got the origin there too, but still, origin didn't make a new high. I want to see this pull up, but if I see a confirmation here, I'm taking it still. Get 5 points, and then you usually see a dump through non-protected lows. Like you just see it just dumps a bit row, like it did. Uh, well, ain't really a good example, but in back testing, I usually see that shit. So, but you can still, if my confirmation still shows up here, even on the 5 second too, price usually gives me that 5 point move before it even, you know, a little retracement up and then just phew, you see me? Uh, I guess yeah, that's sick. I can't lie. I like that. I like having it there. Is there a way to? I want it to stay like on TradingView. Like you can have some text just there because that would be super helpful for me. I want to see if I can do that. If not, I'm gonna just search Google real quick if there's an indicator for that. Locked. No. Auto scale maybe? No. I don't know. I don't even know what auto scale even means. Alright, cool. Google, I need you. Uh, Ninja Trader, text indicator. I guess YouTube gonna do a better job because all I see is some forums, yo. Uh, oh, it was actually. Oh yeah, yeah. My man told me fucking. All right, okay, cool, 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 cool. It's usually an image that I have to create, but fuck it. That's because I never even searched the indicator. But if there are no indicators, then I know how to. I know how to. I'll just create my own background, just a black background, and then I'll just make it like this. I'll just go into After Effects or Photoshop or some shit and just make a PNG black, and just have it like that. And then I can move it around and then that'll just stay in the same place. But that's all long, you know? I'm trying to, who doesn't like conveniency? Is it conveniency? Conveniency. Yeah, conveniency. Uh, what's he doing? He's ranging at the top. Three, 3 bills? Are you dumb? What? Bro, 3 bills for chart text? Must be out of your mind. Anyway, either way, it don't even matter, bro. It's in here. You feel me? It's in there. Yeah, this is gonna be long. I'm not even gonna lie to you because London session volatility is slow. But if we break above this high, with being bullish order flow, but on a higher time frame. What time frame? Mm, let's say average like an hour or some shit. Let's see. Hold on. But so far, 30-minute time frame. So, the time it will take to come back to the 50, 70s, it's gonna be long. The fuck? Why you like that? Hey yo, yo! I just saw this shit. Like what the fuck? You see how it's it's like popped out or some shit. Yo, the fuck? Okay, cool. Clearly, forcing it like that ain't gonna do shit. What the fuck? It went on my shorts, yo. Oh shit. But it's cool, whatever. But still, why you like that? That is some fuckery. Oh, I just did it again. I'm gonna stop messing with you. It's not even that deep. This is what happens when you just wait for fucking Price to do his thing. I just start doing random shit. That's one thing I don't like about trading. You know what? No, I'm not even gonna say I don't like about trading. That's probably like, fuck's sake. I really just messed up my whole fucking shorts, bro. What lotion, man? Anyway. Oh shit. Nice. I doubt that's a closure though. On a 5 second. We wait on a 1 minute. We got a couple seconds for that. Like I told you though, when we get near a high time frame, high or low, oh, it's not like I told you. That's what Dave says, right? Uh, you usually see a pullback and then a violation of it. That's definitely a closure by now. Yeah. Alright, cool. Ooh. So forget this origin. Oh, don't forget it. No, it's there, but you know. Now we got this low, and now it's just a waiting game until it makes more swings, I guess. I don't know. Don't make the mistake of thinking this down move. It is the S&D responsible on a lower time frame at least. On a higher time frame, this is the S&D responsible. Whichever one you choose, either way, it's at the top of the range. Don't participate in them. Why? I don't know. Find out. Go ahead and find out. Uh, you know. Uh, hmm. Wall Street looks like us now. Aye. If you man don't watch Wall Street Trapper, yeah man, you're sleeping still. Like you're literally you're in a beta wave state. I think that's a sleep. That's the sleep state, right? I think it's beta wavelength. That's your sleep state. I think. I try to be all clever with my words and shit. But yo, his shit is cold. He be talking stocks and shit. Man, really and truly, I don't really care. Fuck's sake, man. I have to clean these. I don't really care about stocks and shit. I really watch his live streams because of like I fuck with his mindset. I fuck with his vision, you know. And what vision is that? Really and truly just mm, generational wealth. I hesitated to say that. I hesitated to say generational wealth because it's not enough to really describe his vision. I'm not even gonna cut. But it's let's just put it under that umbrella. If you want to find out, just go watch his live streams, yo. He live streams every Tuesday. He's gonna live stream. I mean, today's Tuesday, so he's gonna live stream too. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there live. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Uh, but really and truly, that makes me wanna get onto the topic of. That makes me want to get onto the topic of it. I'll be real. Like, yeah, but I don't really have shit to say. I do want to get onto the topic, but I don't have shit to say. I know what I'm on. Mm, so where are we now? Now we're going up towards. I've had this area up here for time, but before we even reach it, trade out of the range, trade back into the range. It may not even. We could like we could do some shit like that, right? We could see a reaction here. Either way, I don't trade from this zone, but it doesn't mean that price can't use this zone to bounce up, break highs, and mitigate something, some bullshit up there, bro. That shit don't really even matter to me, bro. For real. That's been there long enough. I don't even need it. Uh, that's just in the way at this moment. Just focus on this shit. Hmm. So this is just a high time frame pullback. Uh, um, boom, boom. This is the last up move. Is it? Right, right. So this is the last up move. If we break this, best believe all of this is getting taken out, and then we can reach this. So cool. I'm looking at this right here. I'll make this red. This one's supposed to be purple. Alright, cool. Yeah. So whatever down move responsible for breaking this high, uh, we'll just observe it. As of a trade, um, not for me anyway. Nothing that I can. Nah, fuck this, bro. I'm changing my shorts, bro. Because every time I lay my hand, like I lay my hands on my lap, I can just feel some fucking cold spot. You get me? Like, hold on, hold on. Oh shit. Let's go. All right. Shit, it's getting kind of cold, no lie. Yeah. Um, don't care about that. I ain't using that to trade. Yeah, update this. Just a waiting game at this point. I got a bad. Mm, 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 mm. Beautiful. All right, I want to fix this. Or maybe it was always like this. I just never realized. All right, it's just a waiting game. Fuck it. Let me just So you see this area we've been mitigating multiple times. One, two, three, four. You can look for price trade below it. Tap back into the previous range. Just from this zone alone, like you can get to know that. But you don't have to use this zone. You could also see that that's the 50 right there. You also know that this is the origin right there. You also know that this is the S&D responsible. Let me see. For the break of structure. Oh yeah, it is at the top of the range. So you have a lot of things going for you. You don't even need everything, every component that I just listed out to even be like, I'm going to take this trade. That's why I don't really plot everything on my chart no more. Because it's like when I look for reasons, okay, cool. What's it called? Narrative, right? There's multiple things that you just see that narrative is in your favor. That you don't really need to fuck. Yeah. You don't need to do too much. That's why I just slap on the 50 and 70 because the 50 and 70 just shows you what you call it. It shows you the zones. It doesn't show you the zones, but more often than not, the zones are around these areas. You feel me? I know Dave uses a 30 as well, but I don't. Why? I don't know how to use it. That's all. But I know what the 50 is dependable, the 70 is dependable, and the way I use it, how I know how to use it, and the way I know how to use the 30 is not dependable, so I don't use it. Uh, yeah, I'm bored, bro. God, I'm bored just looking for reasons. Just look. I'm just bored, bro. I'll be real. Should develop some kind of routine on literally this state of mind because I'm out here just looking at the chart. Let's see. So look, um, fractal concept. What's that? Uh, dang shit. So when the S&D responsible breaks, what do we usually go back to? The origin of the move. Doesn't mean we make it. Doesn't mean that a reaction will happen, but the S&D responsible breaks, we usually see a move back to the origin, and then if you see a move at the origin, that's a whole different story. Uh, but this is the type of shit that makes me break rules over and analyzing. But, 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 you know, this right here, see the way I'm talking? See the way I'm talking? This right here is, it's caught my eye. Because I know once you break out of this range here, you will see a move back up. I say you will. Okay, cool. There's a high chance that you will. A high chance. Right? Probably hit the 50, move back up. Let's see. We're only on literally like one, two, right? And what do we know about swings on reversals? You usually get 2 to 3 swings on a reversal. And then you usually get a reversal after 4 swings. 4 to 6. So it's like price is already at the top of the range, and this is why I don't be doing this shit as in over analyzing because you're at the top of the range. Remove all that shit. You know what you're looking for, though. You know what you're looking for. Just gotta be patient. Okay, cool. I need to think of something though. I need to think of a way. I'm thinking of like playing a game. Like while I'm waiting for price like this, like it's so boring, bro. For real. Like trading is all cool and all, but it's not good for my impatience. My tendency to be impatient, my tendency to be impulsive. Like, yo, having my eyes on the chart like this is not, it's not adapting, yo. It's not adapting. Like, it doesn't do well for me. But at the same time, yo, it's been years. It's been years since I've played the game, bro. Years, bro. Like, the last game I remember playing was like fully that it must have been Fighters. That was back when I was like, I'm talking super heavy into like passionate type shit. Like I was a heavy gamer, heavy, but obviously responsibilities and shit took over. I was like, yeah, just ditch that. Yeah, Fighters, Dragon Ball Fighters. I was like 16, and I just said, yeah, fuck that. I found some better shit, really. I was even thinking, anyway, I just need to find a way to distract myself productively whilst I'm waiting for press. That's all. God, this whole waiting thing is nuts, man. I need to do something, even if it's not trading related. In fact, if it's not trading related, that makes it even better. Mm. Shit. Alright, cool. I had the idea. I'm gonna read some manga, bro. I know Hunter x Hunter. It's back from hiatus. I'm gonna just read some manga real quick. Hunter x Hunter. But I forgot which chapter I'm on. No lie. I forgot which chapter I'm on still. Let's go on 300. Nah, it hasn't released that many chapters since. Let's go on 330. Let's not spoil ourselves on accident. What? 330 is still the Killua and fucking, I think her name was Akuma, bro. Hey, bro. Let's go on 350. I remember these men were going to a fucking island or some shit, and they were basically being bodyguards and that. Yeah, 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 yeah. But I don't know. Maybe I've missed something. Maybe let's go to 340. After that, I haven't read My Hero in a long time, which I'm glad I haven't. I'll be real because wait, talking about the Dark Continent. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alright, cool. Oh, body closure. So this is the S&D responsible for the break. What could we be reaching into? So now that this has been broken, That's quite the distance, but yes, we can move into here. We also have, boom, this high, this high, this high, as well as, so I'd say we would get, we would have something like this. Uh, trade up above it, trade down, and then take it out. Do that. Go back in. Uh, would have violated S&D responsible type shit. Fuck knows. But some shit like that. You feel me? Some shit like that. And then to eventually move back up there. But that's my projection though. Who cares about projections? We only care about the trade. So this is where price currently is. Hmm. Now would I take a trade here? Depends. It truly does depend. Hmm. If not, if I don't see something nice around here, then it's back to the OG plan. You feel me? Cause we got one. So this is the higher time frame swing. We need a body closure. Oh, nice. All right, cool. Right there. That's cool. Uh, so we can take this low. So this is considering, fuck's sake. This is considering the higher time frame swing, and this is considering the S&D responsible. I'll put a little thing here. Yeah, and look for that. Ooh, but my eyes are drowsy. Ooh, shit. Did we close? No. So we're currently at the top of the range. I wouldn't really. Which range? Not. I'm not talking about this range here. I'm talking about this range here. You see a wick above the S&D responsible for this break. Oh shit, no. Oh yeah, we already took that out. Nice. Okay, cool. But on a higher time frame, yes. The S&D responsible for this time frame here will be some shit like that. I just chose the lowest time frame. That's like the earliest indication you can see for us trading above. And 10 seconds. Let's see how it closes. Okay. Ah, we closed. Nice. So, yeah. Violation. All right, cool. So we have this low. That's enough for me to want to get taken. Um, areas to the left is really, they don't they don't hold that much weight until the right side confirms that they hold weight. Does that make sense? I don't know, but hopefully you get what I mean. Uh, we already reached it, but to say this will hold, unlikely. I'm taking this setup down here. I'll take that. Yeah, my eyes are drowsy. Looks like yeah, man said we create an imbalance too. Even here. Hmm. Bro tried selling 200 fucking indicator, $297. Anyway, count up the hustle though. That ain't for me though. Oh my days. So why is it, I don't like the manga pages anyway. Pirate anyway. Why am I complaining? What's the dark content? Wait, what? Oh, um, Legendary Pro Hunter. The Legendary Pro Hunter. All you need is the courage to step forward. Oh, yes. That's all you need. That's all you need. Yeah, 12 p.m. I'm out. I'm out 12 p.m., yo. Like, I'm gonna just take a rest in it. What? What is the rule number one for employees? Rigidly screen applicants for travel to the New World and administer a multilateral and comprehensive inquisition and training process. We are obliged to accompany qualified travelers and make every effort to maximize safety. In other words, don't let anybody go to the New World. These niggas. Alright, colonization. Yo, the cheap. What the gatekeeper of the New World hates most are people who lack manners. Yo, fuck is this? Are you serious, bro? This is why I don't fuck with Price. Nah, I'm joking, I'm joking, bro. Bro, how are you doing this? Oh my days. Like, couldn't you just like, just break the law, just tap into the 50 and give me a move? Nah. It just wants to go up. Like, that's some bullshit, bro. Now I just have to wait extra longer, bro. For fuck's sake. Oh my days. Yo. Ugh. Hold on. Is this updated? Boom. Alright. Um, alright. Yeah, that should be cool. Apart from that, like I said, um, it's unlikely for this zone to hold. Regardless, the zone was valid, but it was unlikely for it to hold. Okay. Shit, it's getting cold again. But like I said, 12 p.m. I'm out, bro. And then I'll come back for pre-market. So I'll be like, I'll have like an hour and 30-minute break. Yeah. Oh shit, he just mixed it around. Wait. So that's Africa, Madagascar, or at least some island anyway. That's probably Brazil. That's probably United States. That's probably your Asia, Australia, and Europe right there. I like the way you did that. I'll remove that. We got this law we want to take. Yeah, price ain't doing shit. I'm just gonna end the stream here. I'll be back probably New York or maybe pre-market. If I see something that I'll hop on the chart pre-market. If I see that, price can give me a potential setup within that hour, then yeah, I'll hop on live stream. But definitely New York, I'll be back. Ah.